What do you think is this?
Tomato?
Ha, tomato. Tomato doesn't grow like that.
Apple?
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm about to explore the Mount Everest.
Hello. What's up guys? Good morning. Good afternoon. Mag-walking lang kami ni Ira dahil para malabas din namin si baby guys. Ira no? Medyo malayo-layo din yung lalakarin natin guys kasi pupunta kami sa entrance ng Deca Homes. Kaya tara samahan niyo kami sa ating walking adventure. Sikat pa ng araw.
Look at me guys, look at me. This man here, no gentleman.
Why?
He's a farmer.
How did I become a farmer?
Doesn't even want to buy me a drink.
Of
What
course
kind
I will
of
buy you a drink.
I'm supposed
But
to be
you know,
a lady.
7-Eleven.
How can you be a lady with
Listen.
no gentleman? When you're just with a farmer.
Listen, 7-Eleven doesn't accept card. So we
That's why
try
you're
if we
trying
can to withdraw.
Yeah, withdraw.
Yeah, if we can withdraw, then we do it. Hope maka-withdraw tayo sa 7-Eleven guys kasi pag hindi, alam nyo naman yung 7-Eleven, hindi uma-accept ng card. So sana may withdrawal
Guys,
dun.
I have this one umbrella because there's a lot of dogs here that is very scary and they always barking at us. So I have this one, that's my weapon.
Yeah,
So
yung mga aso dito guys kasi ang lalaki at Ira,
I'm a hiker.
hike muna tayo guys at makatipid na din. At syempre, maganda din sa kalusugan na nag-hike dito si Ira kasi palagi siyang nasa bahay lang at ngayon nag-hike na siya guys.
I look like Mary Poppins.
Mary Poppins?
The puppets, Mary Poppins.
Ah, Poppins. Guys, banana daw.
Manga?
Why is it manga? No.
Papaya.
Papaya.
Looks like just fat banana.
Fat banana. It's a lot. So, nandito na tayo sa London Bridge. We're in the London Bridge.
What the heck?
So, medyo halfway na guys. May guard house na dito.
Grabe sa bot-bot.
Pero straight pa guys. Medyo malayo-layo pa konti. Pero at least naka medyo halfway na tayo guys. Ayun guys, natakot si Ira guys. Takot si Ira kasi may aso. Kaya dito lang tayo sa gilid. Come here in the side. I'm also scared.
I'm about to explore the Mount Everest.
Hala. Nakadaan na kami sa Mount Everest guys. So, we are adventuring, no?
Yeah.
What do you think is this?
Starfish Street, Dolphin Street.
Start. What do you think is this?
Tomato?
Ha, tomato. Tomato doesn't grow like that.
Apple?
No.
Gonna think I take it.
Big dog. You scared?
So funny.
It's style.
No, it's not.
It is, oh. Uy, scared foreigner. Andito na tayo sa parang harap. So, they have a small market here.
We walk so far, guys.
Ah.
I'm so tired.
Yeah. So, magtra-tricycle na lang tayo pagpa-uwi guys. Ayun, oh, madaming tricycle dyan.
We just have no coins.
Yeah. Ito, market na guys. Punta muna tayo sa 7-Eleven at hopefully guys na makaka-withdraw na din tayo. Andito lang yung sa 7-Eleven guys, malapit lang. Go in. Ira, no pets allowed. Why you got in?
Oof, oof. So we're in the 7-Eleven. I'm just gonna get some drink because we're so thirsty.
You want to drink that? Ira.
I got some ice cream and then I'll drink. The ice cream is a little sweet.
Sana all.
It's good.
Guys, we take tricycle home. We walk 40 minutes.
Yeah. Thankfully guys, naka-withdraw tayo sa 7-Eleven. Muntik pang hindi pwede kasi bawal pala hundreds. Kaya 500 lang ang minimum, 500 at 1,000. Hanap muna tayo ng pagkain ko din guys. Hanap ako ng street food. It's called, gusto ko yung street food guys.
Okay.
Bili natin tayo ng vegetable ni Ira. Kaya ayun, market na dito guys. Oh. Si Ira yung pabibili natin ng vegetable guys. Okay. Come.
Hi. There's a missing.
Good gestures.
Oh, 26. Pay what?
Yes.
Yeah. Gana pa eh.
Hindi ko ba yan ta? Dali ko tabayin ta.
Gana na ba yun? How much?
I think 27.
Oh, that's good. 20 man, no?
Ano ito may boss?
Chicken na lang. Siomay. So andito na rin tayo guys, dumating na din tayo sa bahay at sila Ira nandun na sa kwarto kasi nagpapahinga na din. Tara, puntahan natin sila. At syempre guys, bago natin i-end ang vlog na ito, shoutout na muna tayo at medyo mararami tayong ma-shoutout ngayon guys. So first shoutout ay shoutout sa iyo Joey Suan Juan. Shoutout sa iyo. Thank you talaga sa palaging support sa iyo at keep safe din palagi. Next shoutout is shoutout po kay Mark Jaden Margate sa Cebu. Shout out and third shout out guys, nakasubscribe ako sa YouTube channel mo idol. Thank you talaga Jan Laranja. Thank you talaga sa pag-subscribe at ang iba dyan subscribe na kayo guys. So next shout out sa Ithel Grace. Hindi ko masyadong alam paano i-kan siya pero shout out at thank you sa support. Next shout out ay shout out po Vincent Triglo Bangka. Shout out sa Malhiao Vines TV o shout out Tesami Caballero Badian Cebu. So shout out and subscribe nila yung vlog nila guys. Malhiao Vines TV. Shout out. Next shout out is shout out Ali Mudian Iloilo. Shout out so Yuhang Kang. Shout out. Next shoutout is shoutout na naman kay John Kenneth Garen. Solid supporter. Let's go. Next shoutout is shoutout from the Ukapis. Duni Richino Sinsyo. Ang hirap ng mga pangalan nyo guys. Shoutout. Yun yung mga na-shoutout natin guys. At kung gusto nyo din ma-shoutout, comment down below na kayo sa ating vlog. At let's go. Keep follow and let's go. Bye-bye.